Hi! 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 So, it's me. I'm Permission to Dream. You all wanted to see my face, so this is the face. And can you remember in my life, I told you, if you want to imagine my face or imagine about a chopped tomato. So I think I'm correct. This is my chopped tomato face. Okay. So the reason why I wanted to do this vlog is actually because when I went live on Permission to Dream, a lot of people, a lot of my crushes told me to show my face, but I was a little shy and I could not do that. I was a little shy and I could not do that. And then when I went my second live, a lot of people told me to show my face. So then I thought like, wait a minute, showing your face actually strengthens the bond between me and my readers, because they know who is their trusting. You know, when you read this episode, it's almost like you have kind of a faith that I will not give up and I will keep writing. I will keep going. You know, that's why you get invested in a story. Then I thought, so showing your face really has an impact, a big impact. But then I thought, how can I do it? How to do it? Wait, I'm going to wear my shoes because I'm going to ride my bicycle after a long time. I got my shoes. So, you know, these days I posted Inhuman episode 5, and these days I have been obsessed with just typing, you know. I just wake up, brush my teeth, and then the whole day I'm like the whole day I'm on the laptop. Actually, I should thank my parents for not blaming me. My screen time was like 16 hours. Seriously, I'm not even kidding. Okay? So, I'm sorry guys. I don't know what is the good camera angle for me. I don't know. I have never done vlogs. So if I look like a mess, that's who I am. That's who your author is. So I will try my best to keep you motivated through my videos. But the thing is, I'm also new to this, so please bear with me. And now we are going to ride my bicycle. Oh, Amma is here. Good morning, Amme. I'm doing a vlog for my crushes. Thank you. Amma, it's my mom, guys. She's so nice. If I'm writing something, that's all thanks to my mother. So I got my bicycle, but the thing is, my brother also ride this, and this is too tall. I'm not a short girl. I am just a girl dreaming to be tall. I am just a girl dreaming to be tall. I am just a girl dreaming to be tall. But this is so tall. I cannot even think of. I hate you, brother.
Lieto riconduco l'anima al suolo, mio antico porto. Tra invisibili notte di un farbuffone rilassata al suono di un legittimo canto distorto. Dall'esilio dell'immaginazione vagai tra gente e terre che mi hanno adottato. E in cambio scambio di una risata e chi di storia, lungo le strade di una saggezza dimenticata, di indomabili notti calde di gloria. Paladini di antichi scranni spolverati a novella parvenza, arruolati da sciocchi predicatori, nell'agonia dei prestigiatori non c'è differenza. Tra le nuvole e l'illusione, domatori di voti, grazie ma dipinte battute non so campare. Chiedo scusa ma è tardi per le mie strade, un'altra storia sta ad aspettare, perché dentro la torre non ci so stare, perché dentro la torre non ci so stare.
Okay. How well I got off. Whew. Bicycle fell, but I did not. Consequences of not touching my bicycle for a few weeks. Yes. Oh, I feel so refreshed because these days I did not do any physical activity. So today I did, and I feel good. So, if you ever feel like not doing anything, or if you feel like I'm sweating, you can see I'm red. I'm red because when I do something like sports, I become red. And so if you feel like you are not doing anything, or if you feel like you are too tired, less motivated, work out. Oh, like ride your bicycle. It will work, I promise. Because right now I feel like I can even beat Thanos. Not even kidding. So I think it was pretty crazy but entertaining. And now I'm going to have my breakfast. Oh my god, guys. I just had the spiciest breakfast of my life. Oh my god. I cannot even believe that I ate it. I mean, you know what? The thing is, I have a pretty good tolerance to sweets. Did I just say sweets? No. I have pretty good tolerance to spicy stuff, and my favorite flavors are spicy and sour. I don't like much sweet flavors. What about you? Like, do you like sweet? But I mean, I prefer spicy, but there should be a limit, right? I mean, my mom told me that she bought some new chili from the market and they have so good quality, but so good quality that I cannot even eat it. Oh my god, I mean, my mom is the best chef in the world. Like, whenever I share my lunch with my friends, they are like every day appreciating my lunch, because I don't know, my mom is multi-talented. I don't even know how can I reach her level. She can do almost anything. She doesn't have any superpower, but she can do anything, everything. But today it was too spicy. I don't even think about eating it. I mean, when I started this vlog, I never thought that there would be so many things like this, like these little things. But I ate sugar. I hate sugar, but sugar saved me right now. I feel like I can write a fan fiction. You know, the one who hates the most saves your life. That's an idea. Oh, by the way, I changed to a new outfit. So now my laptop is waking up. I have my name tag here. Oh, it is mirrored, right? KASHMIRA. Actually, you might wonder why I have KASHMIRA and also Shizuka in the name of this channel. That's because in my second live, in the live that I did on Valentine's Day, one of my lovely crush, my subscriber, gave me a nickname, Shizuka. So it means so much to me. That's why I added it, and it will be like that for the rest of my life. It really means to me. Oh my god, there are so much. This is the happiness of my life, guys. This is the happiness of my life. Oh my god, I'm so thankful. So many comments. Oh my god, there are heck a lot of things. Thank you. So now I'm going to reply for today's comments. Let's get into the work. This is my upstairs living room, and this is the corridor. So this is my room. Pew! Let's go inside. And when you go inside, you can see my cupboard, and actually you can see that it is wooden. And these are few stickers that I bought. This is I bought these stickers from the school fair this year. I bought this from one of my sisters in the media unit. She sold BTS and Blackpink K-pop stickers. There were BT21 stickers. I did not buy them. So this is BTS, and yes, their signatures. Oh, is it like, okay, so this is Blackpink. And you know what? The reason why I did this vlog is this girl, Jisoo. Yes, Jisoo is the reason, because yesterday I saw a vlog posted by Jisoo, her Paris vlog, and I thought of doing a vlog. So this is my bed, and I also have these little two stickers. This is Jimina and this is Rose. She is like my bias in Blackpink, and I don't have a bias still in BTS. Who's your bias? Is it must to have a bias? I don't think so. And I have this right above my head. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That's why it is called present. Yes, I mean, I love that. That's why I pasted it. These are my music instruments, my organ, and then I always keep it covered because it's good, otherwise dust will go. And this Serpina, I play keyboard since I was very young, like 5 years old. Yep, I play keyboard, and I started playing Serpina when I was in grade 3. And this is violin. You know what? This Serpina and both this Serpina and violin, they are my mother's, but now mine, and she is a better singer than me. And this is my tiny desk. So I mean, you know that I just stopped studying, so it's a little messy, don't care about that. And you know what? This is my literature book, and this is Pele, hi! And I thought of putting the cover with this newspaper because I love the aesthetic, and a lot of my friends, they really love it. Like they are like, oh, I love it. And some people, I saw that some friends of me, they also put newspapers to their books. Yes. And then this is a painting by my Punchi. Punchi means my mother's sister. She is a great painter, and this is painted by her. I mean, I love her a lot. So this is with me, and this is my name, KASHMIRA, JAYAWEERA. I love it. I love to have it. And this is Hello Kitty. Actually, this was given to me by my mother's sister, my Punchi, for one of my birthdays. And it is broken now, but I love it. I love it so much. So it is also with me, and it's kind of like goes with the pink theme. So yeah, why not having it here? And then I have this tin. I have Legends Never Die. I love the song. And then I have few seashells because I love the sea. Sea is my best friend. Whenever I go to the beach, I try to collect them. And these seashells have a lot of meanings. Should I tell them to you? Wait. Okay. So this is it. These are memories. All these seashells, they have a special memory to me. And this was found by me when I did my CAT exam. I went to beach with my friends. So that day was the first day in my life that I enjoyed so much in the beach. I really inhaled the sea breeze. I stared at the line where the sky meets the ocean. So I mean, it was a serene moment. So this was found by me, and these two were given to me by and her sister. Was the friend that I used to go there, and she and her sister gave this to me. So yep, these 3 gifts, they mean so much to me. And then these are given to me by my brother. He said this one is, I don't know, this one is very rare, I don't know, but he said it's rare, but it's rare only when it is black, but it is not black, so it is not rare. I don't know. And he went to Gaul for the trip with his classmates, like annual trip of his school. He collected this in Gold Beach. He said there are plenty of seashells, and he gave these to me. So these are from my brother, this is from me, and these are from my friends. So this means so much to me. These are my paintings. Actually, this was done by my brother. This one is really beautiful, and this was done by me, and this was also done by me. So I love painting, but I don't have much time to do it with fan fictions and all. Anyway, so this is my bookshelf. These are my books. I'm a huge reader. I mean, actually I have a lot more books than this, but these are the only books that I keep in my room because I don't want it to be messy. And this is another sayings like, I'm the master of my sea. This is from the song Believer. I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. So all achievers are believers. All believers are achievers. Impossible is impossible. Wait. Oh, it's blackout. Okay. Impossible is impossible until someone do it. You are the someone, I mean. I'm crazy. Don't care about that. So that's pretty much it. Oh, and this one, this key tag. I also bought this year for me from my school fair, and this is supposed to be my name, KASHMIRA, but I think it's not that clear or like correct. K is right, but I'm not sure about the others. So that's it. Oh, I have kept few books here. I'm so bad. I mean, I used to read these yesterday, but I did not keep them back. Yep, so this is my garden, the view. Yep, that's pretty much it. I think now we should go back to work again.
Loneliness. Loneliness itself is a life, a passion, and a miracle. Once you get to know the magic of loneliness, you will be obsessed with it. The irony is that you will never be lonely for real, because whenever you feel alone, loneliness is with you. Loneliness is a great teacher, a teacher who follows no syllabus, but a teacher who will guide you to know who you are. Embrace loneliness. It will help you to discover your inner calling. Embrace loneliness. It will bring you the infinity within you. Embrace loneliness. It will show you the beauty of life. Embrace loneliness. It will show you how lucky you are. Embrace loneliness. It will show you how powerful you are. Loneliness is an ocean. Loneliness is a sky. Loneliness is a life. Embrace loneliness. Embrace it.
You'll never need me again.